sweethearts, welcome to tutorial for Cha-Cha by Cello. Let's get started. Now this first move you're going to see as the intro, and you're also going to see it towards the end of the song before a chorus. I'm going to show this first. Just the feet. The feet are together, they jump diagonal left, diagonal right, and then 2 kicks. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4, kick right, kick left. Now the arms are going to be opposition, 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 opposition. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times. Let's see it nice and slow. The first 2 and the second 2 up the tempo. We start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. Now up the tempo. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Time for verse 1. We're going to start going to the right. 3 heel steps. We go right, left, right, and then we're going to pivot on there to get ready to go with the left foot. Left, right, left, pivot. And when we pivot, we're going to stiff that hip and that booty out. So to the right, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swing hip. That goes 4 times the arms just by your side. And then we're going to get a little extra body into there. So starting to the right, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pivot. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pivot. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the 4, extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arms come up. 6, 7, 8. Hip. Left, right, left, swing. So arms are going to come around the body, and the hips are going to come last and hit. Ta, 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 ta. Hip, pa, 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 pa. Hip. Let's see both versions face to the front. We start to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, and arms for 4. Swivel, left, right, left, hip, right, hip, left, right, left, hip. Great, next section. We just came back on our 8th one. 1, 2, 3, swing. We walk over to the right. We go right, left, right, and we're going to punch our left arm and kick out our left leg. Hip. Walk back. Left, right, left. This time, right arm, right leg. Kick. And you decide how high that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on the 4th one, to start the chorus. We'll get there in a second. To the front. Last 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. We walk. Right, left, right. Punch kick, left, right, left, hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and to get started. Now it's time for the chorus, the cha-cha. We have that leg right here in front. The right leg is going to go up, 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 up to switch left, up, 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 up. Now the arms are going to be here on the sides. I'm going to show the hip. Up for 4, up for 4. I'm going to jump that and also take it forward to the mirror. So starting with that right leg, arms go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Behind yourself, behind yourself, behind yourself, behind yourself, and we're going to groove over to the left to finish it. So nice and slow, we'll do it to you and then to the mirror. Starting with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that face in the front. First slow and then fast tempo. We came here, kick, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, twist, 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 up the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, twist, 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 twist. Now I know it's super fast. If that travel forward is really hard for you, you don't want to jump, you could just pick your knee up and do this in place, and then groove, 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 groove. The intention is to get the knee up, jumping up, the heart rate up, the cardio up. Great, we go 2 times through with that whole verse and chorus, and we get ready for our bridge. The bridge is step, step, double step. So we go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Hips 5, 6, 7, and 8. We pull. Pa, pa. So we cheat a little bit by going in first and hit, and double. Arms wherever you like here. Double. Keep them by your side. Catch your breath. Double. Arms up. Hip, 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 and pull. So 3 hips. Ta, 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 Nice and slow again, facing you. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2. Other way. Ta, ta, pa, pa, ta, ta, ta. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, pa, pa. To get ready to cha-cha. Let's see that into the chorus, facing the front. We go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and bridge. Again, this is from a little intro. We go. Forward, side, 2 kicks. Ta, ta, ta. Kick and kick. Keep breathing. Kick and kick. Ta, ta, ta. Kick and kick. Chorus, one more time. Cha-cha. 2 times up. And then we're going to finish with our single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Hip, 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 pow, pow. Last one. And double. Tap, tap, and double. Tap, tap, and double. Right, left, right, and up. And there's a little music. Dun, 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 dun. And you can work the shoulders there at the end. It's a lot of cardio, it's a lot of jumping, it's a lot of fun. Let's dance it.